Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can participate in the Naniwas Script Supervisor Bee event in Heartopia Game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. Okay, Naniwa has just started the event, guys, and if he start the event, you will get a call from him. Then you can immediately join the event. Right after you get a call, you can visit Naniwa at the Mountain Whale, and then you can join the event. And for the event time, I think it's very random, guys, but of course, you will always get a call if the event is being started by Naniwa. Alright, and now it's capture time. So we need to prepare our net. And you can try to complete your personal goals by catching 10 insects. And by joining this event, guys, you will have more chance to get a rare bumblebee. And the rarest bumblebee in this event is the gold bumblebee. So if you want to catch the gold one, I recommend you to join the Script Supervisor Bee event by Naniwa. Or actually, you can start it by yourself, but you need to pay 2,000 golds, if I'm not mistaken. Okay guys, and that's how you can join Naniwa Script Supervisor Bee event in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!